I was having a bit of a walk around in the bush yesterday and came across something I thought was interesting and suspect. I'll go and take and show you what it is. So just bear in mind, we're along the Eyre highway, we're a long way from anywhere, and then you come along and you find something like this. I can't think of any other reason why someone would want to dig a hole like this. I'll turn the camera around and have a look. There's all the dirt out of the hole, and there's the hole. It's got to make you think it's just about the right size to put someone in, isn't it? But yeah, bit of the old detective work. Come over here, I'll show you something. I was saying when I was walking around yesterday in the video that I came across this, and I could only think it could be for only one thing. Come and have a look. Like all the dirt, that's all the dirt out of the hole. There's no gold here, and someone's dug a hole about the size of a grave. Maybe they had a plan. It's pretty suspect, isn't it? Very sus. But there you go.
Don't look at me.
Can you just lay in there and see if you'll I'd just like to want to get a bit of a scale measurement. Chicken.